In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable fast startup in Windows 10. So friends, if you want to open your PC or laptop fastly after shutdown, so click on start and type power and sleep settings. You will see inbuilt system settings, power and sleep settings. Click on it. Now click on additional power settings. In here, click on choose what the power buttons do. Now click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Now here you will find option turn on fast startup. So check this box. This helps start your PC faster after shutdown. So check this box, then click on save changes. Now close it. So that's it friends, by this quick and very super easy method, you can enable fast startup in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.